Hello viewers, welcome to my channel MacMart. First of all, I would request you to please subscribe my channel if you like my video. So our today topic is how to use the most important feature, whole wizard of Solidworks. First of all, we will make a rectangle. We have selected the dimensions in millimeters. Click on the front plane and select the sketch. So we are now in sketch mode. We will make a rectangle. Click on the rectangle command. Select the center rectangle option and draw a rectangle from the origin. Okay. Check. So we will give it dimensions. Click on the Smart Dimensions tool. Give the horizontal dimensions, that is 1000 millimeters, and give the vertical dimensions, height, that is 400 millimeters. Okay, exit from sketch. Now extrude this sketch one. Click on the features, click on extrude and select the thickness, extrusion depth of 10 millimeter. Okay. So we have make a rectangle of 100 millimeter length and 400,000 millimeter length and 400 millimeter length. So we first want to make a place a hole at the center of the rectangle. In one option, you can make a sketch and use the extrude cut feature to make a hole. And other options is we can use the hole wizard. So click on the hole wizard and we will select the surface where we want to place the hole. So this is the surface where we want to place the hole. Okay, from here we want to make a through holes. So these are hole types. We will select this hole and in standard we will click A in asymmetric and the size of the hole is 200 millimeters. Type this is a drill size. Okay. We will make a hole of 25 millimeters. Click on the positions. Now click on the base surface and click on the center. Okay. You can see that we have make a hole of the diameter 25 millimeters. You can see here. So in this way, you can change the diameter to 25 to 200.